after there were a lot of teenage deaths and serious illnesses due to vaping. And Governor Ron DeSantis.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. You remember that I just did a couple of shows on this beast. This is, it says right on here, National Panasonic. It's a R-5000. Well, this is a National Panasonic. Let me zoom in a little bit. Sorry for the slow camera action. I'm not very good on this particular program, changing things. Let me try that. Okay, there we go. This is a Panasonic. It's a model R-1037. A little smaller than this beast. AM only. Jeff has loaned me this radio out of his collection. 6 transistor. Was produced in about 1963. Kind of has the same kind of grill, little different pattern. It has the same grill. Carrying strap there. I believe it uses a 9-volt battery. Jeff, we left the battery or batteries in, so I didn't have to open it up. It looks like, because there's some scratches here where you open it, it looks like he struggled a little bit to get it open, so therefore I'm not going to open it. Sometimes these are really tight fitting and they're hard to get open. He got this from the Radio Attic for $40, and it had been completely recently restored, so it's in perfect work condition. AM only, but good reception. I'll do a little tuning here for you. Put it back on. I try to get it a little closer to my microphone. Volume on off here. Tuning here. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Picking up a lot of stations, even in my workshop with computers and routers and everything turned on. Over here is the earbud connector. And let me tune the other part of the band. The audio is a little tinny. I have it turned up quite a bit for 2 reasons, or at least 2 reasons. One is I'm using my lapel microphone, so I'm about 2 feet away from the radio, and I've got my wall air conditioner on, so you got a lot of background noise. Be glad when cool weather comes. It's a little sensitive on tuning. There we go. That's pretty good.
These guys will be here for this morning, but early this afternoon, heavy thunderstorms rolling into the area and sticking around into tonight.
So that's about it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. And if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.